Okay, everyone is back, and me too. Okay, let's hear from one person each person what they discussed and what they didn't discuss. Okay, Priyanka, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what happened? Please.
In the
Nice to
in
see
the
you,
group,
sir.
we discuss many things. So some cases solo travel is not beneficial for females because they have to face many problem like safety and other thing also. Uh,
Mhm.
and boys for some cases boys solo travel is not beneficial for boys which belongs to under age means 18, 19, 20. That time they have not knowledge about more thing means places and other thing also means how to understand people like that may be wrong it but I think it is
Mhm.
right. And
Sure.
that time they have to face many problem means they have to loaded by other person and something like that.
Okay, sure. Naman, yes. Unmute, please. Are you there? Okay. Okay, Rajneesh,
Yes,
please.
sir. Thank you,
What
sir.
did you discuss in
Yes, sir.
your
I
breakout
listen a
rooms?
lot and I discussed about solo traveling. First of all, it means I ask and I share my traveling alongside my friends.
Mm-hmm. Are you there? You're getting disconnected. Okay, okay. Let's hear from Naman. Yes, Naman.
Sir,
Your
solo
voice is not
Can
coming.
traveling,
you hear me?
Now it's coming.
sir, solo traveling is obviously beneficial, but
Uh-huh.
I would say if you travel solo, sir, I have a question right now, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Like I have traveled solo when I was 16, so I had traveled mostly Southeast Asia solo. It's not like
Mm-hmm.
that you can say fully solo, but my relatives used to stay there, and
Mm-hmm. Online.
I not online. How online I would stay
Online
online?
travel or offline travel?
Offline travel.
Okay, okay.
Indonesia,
I thought
Jakarta,
online
Bali,
travel.
Medan, and Thailand, Bangkok, Pattaya, Krabi, and Singapore, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Langkawi,
Mm-hmm.
Sri Lanka, in Colombo. So I traveled there. My relatives
Mm-hmm.
used to stay there.
Mm-hmm.
So I've traveled mostly, most probably Southeast Asia. So what I used to do, like when I was a kid, like 13, 14, then I used to travel with my father and family.
Mm-hmm.
But when I was 16, so I didn't want to travel with them because obviously they impose certain restrictions, and I don't want to go
Mm-hmm.
the places. Like they will go and we used to see museums and statues, but I was not interested in that. I was interested in discovering more the
Mm-hmm.
lifestyle and all.
Sure.
So I used to stay at the relatives' place and I used to travel alone. I used to ask them just certain places. If there's Indonesia, there are so many volcanoes, right? There are so many
Mm-hmm.
volcanoes. So how to catch a train and go there? So I used to ask them, and obviously I had the access to the internet, right? So obviously that was also a point of contact. So I traveled like that. Like 1 week I used to stay
Okay.
in Indonesia, travel 3 cities. One was a town, Budeng. You know Budeng?
No, no.
You stayed in Indonesia, sir. Jakarta, Bali, so obviously
Puden.
you know.
Puden, I think you are not spelling it
Volcano.
correctly then. Okay,
Yeah,
maybe a small
I
city.
think so because
No, no.
yeah,
I
it
I
was a
lived in India
town.
also, but I am pretty sure I don't know
Right.
lot of cities of India also. You also.
I think I am not pronouncing it properly, but I know
Yeah.
it started from B. If Building is, it
Mm-hmm.
was like that. So it was a
Mm-hmm.
volcanic city, like volcanic sites were there.
Okay.
Like hot springs were there, and volcanic city was there. And many things
Sure,
I
sure.
discovered there. Right. So
Okay. Okay.
that was fascinating.
Sure. Anisha?
So in my first breakout room, I was with Khushbu, and we were discussing about. First, we begin with our introduction because it was the first time I and she met on this platform, and then we were having means she said like she prefer going solo because she can just handle the budget by herself and everything. but she cannot go currently right now because she's having a baby and she has to look after her family and everything. And in my case, like, I will be going for a solo trip. I haven't went to a solo trip till yet. Yes, I have went to a solo trip, which I won't be considering it as a solo because it was a school like exhibition and excursion and all that.
Excursion.
Yeah, exactly. A school excursion and all that, but I won't be considering it as a solo trip.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
And yeah,
Okay.
in near future, I will be sure. Means this was in my first breakout room, and in second breakout room, I was with Veena ma'am, Orithro, and who was there? I don't know his name
And I
properly.
don't know.
Like Amrit, I guess it was
Okay.
Amrit. Yeah, it was Amrit only. Where we were again discussing about all this thing, and most of the time they were busy hearing my dhak and chongs, which was going on just because of the Kali Puja Visarjan.
Okay. 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 I see. You didn't mute yourself then.
No, because I was speaking and it was continuously going on,
So
so there
your
was a clash
signal
of two
was
voice.
covered with background noise.
Yeah, exactly. You can say
Okay.
so.
Sure. Subhajit.
Sir, in my first breakout room, I was with Yuvraj and Abid, and we discussed about the topic. We said that like the most dangerous things are money getting stolen, or a person can get
Mm-hmm.
lost, and there can be also that language barrier. Uh, all these things.
Mm-hmm.
In my second room, I was with Prapti and Yuvraj. We
Mm-hmm.
discussed a little about this, and then we discussed what places we like to visit.
Sure. Okay. Aritra.
Yes, sir. So in the breakout room, I was with Amrit, Anisha, and Bhina ma'am. So we discussed about some disadvantage of solo travel, and we found out that there are several disadvantages. Like in solo travel, you have to speak with stranger. You have to ask help from a stranger. So there are many strangers who can misguide you. You can't
Mm-hmm.
trust all of them, and also there would be several language problem. Like if you visit to a foreign country, then there are many people who won't understand your language, or they may use sign language and you may get confused. And after that, we also talked about the excitement of PUBG coming back, about online game.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So you said that after online game comes, nobody will travel, or it's a substitute. It's a substitute. Okay. Yes, Anisha, please.
Actually, like, I and Veena Mama had a earlier conversation where we were talking just about PUBG, and that's why Veena Mama was like, "Now to you will be excited. It's just 2 days
Yeah.
and PUBG is back."
So how about the PUBG simulation, but in a world tour kind of format instead of fighting? Maybe. Amrit, yes. What did you discuss, or what do you remember from the discussion? Please describe.
Yes, in the second breakout room, I was with Anisha and Aritra, Aritra Mukherjee sir,
Mm-hmm.
and Veena ma'am. Yes, these
Mm-hmm.
are the persons, and then we discussed about our intro. We have our introduction first, and then what is the advantages and disadvantages of traveling alone. So we have discussed that if we are traveling alone, we may misguide some things, like we don't understand some languages or concepts about the traveling. It's like
Mm-hmm.
that.
Okay.
And then they started discussing about PUBG. So
Okay. Sure.
yes, and then they started discussing about PUBG, and then they are saying that PUBG is coming back. So
Mm-hmm.
Veena ma'am said that I don't play PUBG. So I said yes, I don't play PUBG. I am interested in making games, not playing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So
That
time
was
was
the whole
enough to
breakout.
discuss all this, or you ran out of time, or anybody ran out of time?
Time
You
was
can raise
enough.
your hand. Anyone maybe feel that you ran out of time. Maybe it's enough. I think. Yeah, enough practice for a day, I guess. Okay, so it's 9 o'clock. So we'll finish our session for today. The session will resume again same link, same time, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock tomorrow. Okay.